So guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be installing our Aeroflow full S-style front lip and side skirts on our Type R today. These front lips are in stock. These side skirts are available for pre-order. And I'm gonna go show you guys step by step how to put everything on. So I actually assembled it already, but when you get your lip, it is a 3-piece design. So if you do break your lip, you can always email us, request to see if we have any replacements available. Pretty simple. You will get a bag of hardware, okay? Nuts and bolts and self-tapping 3M tape. And all you gotta do is connecting the 3-piece lip with the, let me show you, with these short screws right here. And then for the bolts, honestly, don't use them because it's gonna be so much headache to take the bumper off and drilling a bunch of holes. I think it's easier just to use the 3M tape and self-tapping screws. Since we already put it together, as you can see, it looks pretty aggressive. So this is the V2 version. We previously did a V1 version. The V2 is a bit more aggressive for my personal likings. I like the V2 better. And on the Type R, we already installed the V1 side skirts. As you can see, it looks crazy, very OEM style. All right guys, to install the V2 lip, all you gotta do is get your 3M tape and go ahead and apply it on the inside. So with the 3M tape, actually works really good. A lot of people don't know, but you have to mount it with self-tapping screws too. If you don't do it with the 3M double-sided tape, just screws, it might not be enough, but again, you can use bolts too, but I just recommend using 3M tape, just to make your life easier. I would put it about like 2-3 millimeter under the outside. Once you apply the 3M tape, you can go ahead and peel back. Sorry, mine's a little curvy, but you guys get the idea. And then we'll go ahead and grab a friend, okay? Help you guys settle this on. All right guys, once you put it with the 3M tape, it should hold in place. As you can see, the fitment is spot on. It looks already crazy. So next step is go ahead, get your self-tapping screws. As you can see, everything's mounted perfectly. Side skirts as well, same thing applies, lining it up with the OEM side skirts and drill on. So look at this, we'll do a quick test fit. Look at that, the whole bumper shakes. So you guys are good. Like I said, if you do scrape something, you hit it, you break apart, which I think you guys should be fine. Just always email us, our support team, and they'll take care of you. Let's get it down and see what it looks like. All right guys, the lip and side skirt is on. As you can see, it looks crazy. I believe this, oh my God, look at that fitment with the wheels. Oh, Jesus Christ. All right guys, this concludes today's video. If you're interested in the parts, link in the bio below. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next Type R video. Peace.